Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, dear friends? I hope everything will be fine. Our three classes has completed. Now I am starting fourth class, fourth lecture. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns are used to indicate ownership. Possessive nouns usually are formed by adding an apostrophe and is astra. John's book, so that indicate the ownership of Mr. John. Carry car, Kerenda, mirror. When a noun is plural and end in s, just add an apostrophe. The toy, this is the ownership of kids. My parents' house, this is the ownership of my parents. The teacher lodge. If two people own one thing, add the apostrophe and adds the second person only. John and Mary's new house. David and Sue wedding. Tom and dog's car. If two people own separate things, and the apostrophe and as for each person. Susan's and bath books, jeans and dance pants, Ben and Jim offices. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching.